The new BISSELL Stain Eraser Pet Cordless is a portable carpet and upholstery cleaner, ready to tackle tough messes whenever, wherever, making it the perfect compact stain remover for families with little mess makers. The Stain Eraser Pet loosens, lifts and removes tough stains with the convenience of cord-free lithium-ion battery technology. At almost a kilo lighter than the previous generation, simply grab and go to clean those small, immediate spots and stains on carpet, stairs, upholstery, area rugs, car interiors and more. In the box, you'll receive the new Stain Eraser Pet, a removable scrub brush, the charging cable, and 2 sample bottles of BISSELL formula. Full-sized bottles of BISSELL formulas can be found in stores and online. To use the Stain Eraser Pet, first pre-treat old or tough stains thoroughly beforehand for at least 15 minutes. BISSELL's range of specialised pre-treatment sprays can also be found in store and online. Once the Stain Eraser Pet is fully charged, fill up the clean tank with warm tap water and around 15 ml of the BISSELL formula. Add OxyBoost as well when cleaning tough stains or lighter coloured fabrics. Now simply turn the Stain Eraser Pet on and press the spray button to release the clean water and formula. Gently massage the area with the scrub brush to mobilise the stain. Then use the suction to extract the mess along with the excess water. Once you're done, simply empty the dirty water tank. Leave the area to dry naturally and repeat as needed. The new cordless BISSELL Stain Eraser Pet is the perfect companion to your corded spot clean or full-size upright carpet washer. To find out more, visit leading retailers or bissell.com.au.